Hello, myself Hiren Chandani. My topic is Disability Evaluation for Amputees. So let's begin with it. So, what is disability? What is evaluation? And what is amputation? So, disability. According to the Nagy model, disability is defined as inability to perform social roles and leisure activities. Evaluation. So, evaluation means assessment, to evaluate or to rule out something, and amputation. So, amputation is a procedure in which a part of limb is removed through one or more bones. Now let's talk about basic guidelines for disability evaluation. So there are four basic guidelines for the disability evaluation of the amputees. First, in case of multiple amputees, if the total sum of disability exceeds 100%, then it is considered as 100%. Second, if there is presence of any complication, it may be in form of neuroma or stiffness, then also it is considered as 100%. Third, if the dominant upper limb is amputated, then 4% can be given. Fourth, if the stump is unfit for the fitting of prosthesis, then 5% can be given. Now, let's talk about the levels of upper limb amputation. If it is 4/4, 100% can be given. If it is shoulder disarticulation, 90% can be given. If it is above elbow, upper one third of the arm, 85% can be given. If it is above elbow, lower one third of the arm, 80% can be given. If it is through elbow, 75% can be given. If it is below elbow, 65% can be given. If it is wrist disarticulation, 60% can be given. If it is hand through carpal bones, 55% can be given. If it is through first CMC joint, 30% can be given. Through MCP, 25% can be given. If it is through interphalangeal joints, 15% can be given. If it is through index finger, 15% can be given. If it is through middle finger, 5% can be given. If it is through ring finger, 3% can be given. If it is through little finger, 2% can be given. These all are from the middle phalanx. If there is amputation, this much percentage can be given. So this is all about the levels of amputation for upper limb. Now, let's talk about the levels of lower limb amputation. Here, for the lower limb amputation, the values are same as in case of the upper limb. For example, if it is through the pelvis, it is known as hemipelvectomy or total hip amputation. If it is through hip, it is known as hip disarticulation. If it is through the shaft of the femur, or we can say it is through above knee, then it is known as transfemoral amputation. If it is below knee, or we can say through the shaft of the tibia, then it is known as transtibial amputation. Foot amputation. If the whole foot is removed, it is known as Sines amputation. If the amputation in which the talus and calcaneal are not removed, it is known as Chopard's amputation. If the amputation is done through tarsometatarsal, it is known as Lisfranc amputation. And if the toes are removed, it is known as disarticulation of toes. For the disarticulation of toes, 20% can be given. Thank you.